Fugili. Oh, okay. Hey, Fugili. What are you doing? I'm videotaping. There she is. There's the bird. There's the bird. She does. She flies around. She flies around the neighborhood. She has a good time. Comes back. She knows to stay away from the kitty cats. Yes, she does. What? Boo Boo? Boo Boo would eat her in a second if he could. Yeah. Hey. Hello. There's Fugili. That's her house up there. This is Fugili's house. She lives on top of the mantle. There's her food and water. And that's Fugili's house. And when you come up to Fugili's place of residence, you better watch out. Fugili, come here, come here. Ow, ow. Because she doesn't like to be disturbed when she's in her house. You little monkey, biting your mama. Biting the hand that feeds you, that's not very nice. So no matter how many times you say no, 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 it doesn't matter. As soon as you reach up there, you're gonna get attacked. You are a little devil. You're a devil. How come you want to bite your mama? You better be nice. I feed you. Alright. Alright, you little monkey. Alright. I'll leave you alone. That's Fugili. Being a little monkey. Alright. Fugili update. Alright. We're gonna leave you alone now.